nga bwe muli birabye liisiddwa ffe mu kuwakanya okubaddewo kitegeeza amaloboozi g'abantu baffe ffe tugataddeyo. Ekimu ku bye nsobola okumenyako bye bino wammanga okubanga kati tebalina buyinza bukwata muntu olw'okuba ayambadde kakoofiira kokka. Tugambye akakoofiira kateekwa okubaako logo ya UPDF nga kuliko serial number. Abaganda bagamba akugoba tabula kyakusuuza n'empewo ekusuuza eminyira. Naffe tubasuuzizza okumala gakwata bukwasi buli wa kakoofiira ne bamutwala munda. Kakati tugambye nti akakoofiira oba kye muyite uniform erina okubaako logo ya UPDF. Bw'eba teriiko logo ya UPDF eyo tebeera ame store oba tebeera ame uniform. N'olwekyo abantu baffe njagala bakimanye abali eyo nti ffe okusigalayo kwaffe era abasajja tubasuuzizza kye tubasuusizza. Kakati kitegeeza tebakyasobola kumala gajja ne bakwata nti olina akakoofiira kaddugavu, olina akakoofiira just kakala myufu. Kateeka okubaako logo ya UPDF, serial number n'ebyefaananyirizaako bwe bityo. Kye kimu n'engatto n'ebifaananako bwe bityo. So bo si kujja buzi ne bagamba eyo engatto efaanana eyaffe. Ekyokubiri, tuwakanya ekigambo ekigamba nti omuntu tayinza kujulira mu high court agende straight mu court of appeal. Ekyokusatu, procedure terambikiddwa ngeri ki gye banaawozaamu bantu bano mu kooti zino, naddala abantu okusamba eddembe lyabwe okweyimirira n'okujulira. Byeyo byennyini.
The issue of independence, first we are involving, we trust the Judicial Service Commission to help us vet. When we say in consultation, again, it is the first time that the military is involving civilian body, constitutional body that vets all the lawyers, all the judicial officers, to vet and give us names. And also, too, we have a department which will be different from the normal command and control, a Department of Administration of Justice in the military. That has never happened, and it is not a command structure. That is an administrative structure. I want to plead to Honorable Dur and Honorable Ayatollah, the landlord, to take it in good faith that we've made serious baby steps to give effect to the Supreme Court. And if there was anybody to doubt, you wouldn't doubt the Attorney General here, who has spent sleepless nights. So this is in good faith. Let's take it as it is so that we can give effect. And if we have any other problems, we shall come back to you.
Honorable Dur, we thought about that, and it's not new in our place here. I'm sure you are familiar with, say, the industrial court. The industrial court has one lawyer and two other people who are experts, assessors, experts in labor issues. Yeah, and these are experts in army affairs. So we're not picking people from the street. But here the law has told them that the only person, and the amendment has clarified it, the decision on matters of law will be made by only the chairperson who is a legal expert. But the decision on matters of fact can be done by the soldiers, and I think it is perfectly fine.
Yes, Mehdi.
The learned Attorney General. You are talking here about criminal law, criminal trial. The highest standard is needed before court. Industrial court, tax appeals tribunal, these are civil matters, and the burden of proof is on balance of probability. But here you are talking about criminal, yes, about issues of life and death. Somebody going to prison, somebody going to spend 6 months and etc. If we want to align with the decision of the court, for example, we could have only provided for one judge, like a chief magistrate, and don't bring these two who are not qualified. If we pass it like this, it will be easy for court still to nullify. How do I subject myself to a panel constituted of people who supposedly don't understand the law, who do not have qualifications?
Honorable Attorney General,
So you
we
cannot
have so
compare.
many lawyers in the army.
Right Honorable, I think we are forgetting the purpose of this unit. We are talking about law experts in law. What about the experts in army business? What about experts in war? Because the unit court martial is not only dealing with matters.
Honorable Attorney General, there are soldiers who are lawyers.
Yes.
Chair, the expert the Land Attorney General is talking about, if he wants to invite an expert during a trial, you invite him as a witness to convince the one that is passing justice that this person is the expert you've presented. So which expert are you talking about? Because you should be talking about an expert in law, not an expert in military affairs. During a trial, if any side wants to present an expert, it seeks leave of court to present an expert to support its case.
Honorable Minister.
This is Honorable Mehdi is also a lawyer. And we practice criminal law in Uganda. We have assessors. Assessors are picked from the members of public. Now in this, because that's the temptation I try to say we should avoid. If we use the word assessors here, it would be like we are in a civil court. Now the political commissar has a specific duty. The administrative officer has of the unit where this officer must be there when they are trying his officer or her officer. So that is why they are there, but with one lawyer. But should it be the wisdom of this house that you want to remove them and you replace them with the lawyers? We have enough lawyers, but they were playing very core, critical administrative functions. They must give, in fact, not only that, there's an administrative officer of the unit, a political commissar of the unit, a regiment sergeant major. Now, this is where, when I am not surprised when Honorable Nsereko is asking me to do what. That's the real difference. I could have asked that question 4 years ago before I got to know about what the military does. These people are different. They are not the same. These people are very different. Let's help them.
Honorable members.
Yes.
Honorable members.
Madam Chair, the question I'm putting to my senior land council and honorable member is you're creating a jury here. And the issue you're saying is you're presenting experts in administration of justice under criminal law. But like you've said, you've clearly stated that the chairperson is well equipped with the tools of law, meaning the following will be his advisors. Therefore, if someone is being presented before an impartial
the following
court,
will be picked from B, the administrative officer of the unit.
Exactly.
The political commissar of the unit.
Exactly.
The sergeant and then the junior officer.
And Madam Chairperson, our argument is, if they are experts as the other side proposes, then let them come in as witnesses to support their case. No. Yes, because this is a court.
Tony.
You're not setting different rules.
Tony.
Thank you.